Hey guys, this is Jacob with Creative Audio. Today we're going to take a look at these three Kicker CompQ subwoofers. So you may be asking yourself, where do these fit in Kicker's lineup? These are going to be at the very top of their lineup now. They handle the most amount of power. On top of that, they're the best sounding woofers too. The 10-inch here handles 800 watts. The 12-inch is going to be 1,000, and the 15 is going to handle 1,200 watts. All three of these come in a dual 4-ohm or dual 2-ohm voice coil variation for that extra versatility for whatever build you need. The build quality on these, second to none. So on the front, a couple quick things. Dual stitching on the cone to the surround. Number one, looks great, but also serves a purpose. Keeps everything nice and sturdy with all that power that you're handling, or throwing at it rather. On the surround here, it's a big rubber surround, really strong, handles all that power as well. We've got a ton of throw from these woofers, so a lot of X max goes down as well. With all of that movement on the cone, we've got these pole cooling on the bottom, so that allows fresh air to come into the woofer, cool the voice coil, pulls all the hot air as well when the cone goes back down. Everyone knows Kicker for their loud bass. With the CompQs, not only do you get that, but you get a level of accuracy too. This creates an awesome level of premium sound quality for your build. This has been an overview of the Kicker CompQ woofers. These are a great woofer from Kicker. They handle a ton of power. They sound incredible. This is their best sound quality woofer they've ever made. I love every chance I can to hear these. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned for more out-of-the-box videos.